Morning, y'all. Happy Saturday. Too early for beer. It's 7:30. I got me a piece of wild boar. First off, we got some people coming over today, so Jeffy will be here later, and I think Karen's going to show up, and some other people's. Greg's supposed to be here, and some special people from North Carolina are going to come visit us. So me and Jeffy's going to cook a bunch of food, and we're going to start off with this wild boar here. And I got some Just Incredible, and I'm just going to put that on there. And I got my Weber Smoky Mountain at about 225 now. That's where I'm going to try to keep this at 225, and just let it go till it's done.
So did you do anything to that meat to prepare it?
Yeah, I put it in a bowl of water last night. I rinsed it off, and then I put it in a bowl of water with a quarter to a third of a cup of cider vinegar. And then I covered it in ice. And wrapped it up in foil and put it in the ice box and set all night. I just took it out of the bowl and rinsed it off and dried it off. And so that's where we are. So, got the pig all seasoned up here, and we'll take it out there and put it on the Smoky Mountain, and we'll show you some cooking outside later when Jeff gets here. So, for right now, that's what we're doing. We're going to see a lot of food here today, man. Me and Jeff are going at it. So, we'll be back in a few. Okay, this has been going about 2 hours now. You can see the temperature I'm holding, hopefully. I'm going to show you a picture of the pig. That's the wild boar right now.
Oh, I got to smoke.
Well, so, that's after 2 hours. So, I'll cover this back up. Let it keep going. And we'll be back later.
It's lacking something. It needs some spice or something.
Did you put,
Needs some sort of something.
it's probably garlic.
Sarge, where you at? Come clean the floor. Yeah, it needs the flavoring.
Yeah,
Okay, I'll find something.
I haven't quite figured out what it is yet.
Yeah, it needs something. Ooh, what a mess.
You made a hell of a mess.
Just a cheesy mess.
That tends to happen.
Okay, where's the spices? Oh, look, a beer can. Chicken. How about It's Incredible?
that's what he put on the pork this morning.
No, that's too strong.
You're walking around like you're lost.
I am. I'm always lost. I don't need that yet either. I need more butter.
That would be over here on this corner.
I have my canal. So I'm in here trying to get this done. She's throwing stuff at me. Why you do that?
It's hot here.
I got the heat turned down below 70. Like on 69 or 68.
That's because I'm putting off pheromones. Whatever that
How
is.
come he ain't got no spices?
He does.
He ain't got nothing.
Put a little splash of Worcestershire in there. That would be in the icebox.
We're gonna have to sweat.
It's gonna be a double pan deal.
Bourbon barrel aged Worcestershire
That stuff is awesome.
and cheese.
Yeah, put splash that in
Don't
there.
use very much. See how small the bottle is?
There's a reason.
There's a reason for that. And make you see little animals, you put too much in it. I put just a little more, but not much. I'm telling you, it's stout.
And I did 4 dots.
Dollops.
Dots.
4 dots.
Mine were dots.
Just a dollop will do ya.
Little dot day.
Oh, what's this? Here.
That's garlic salt. I told you I had it. You go, I don't want garlic salt.
I didn't.
You do now, see? You need me after all.
But we can put that on top of our pretzels.
You need me after all.
Oh, I need you, all right. Like a hole in the head. Get your chip. Throw it in here and try it now. Jeffro Bodine. What are you doing?
I ain't gonna tell you. It's a secret.
What
Don't-
the heck?
You broke it.
I want to go home.
I'm gonna put it in now.
I don't want to go home. I want to go home. Somebody did it. If I'm going to do over here, do this, I'm going to drink. Because I can't deal with it if I can't. Oh my God, get back in there. What the heck?
You done put the poo-poo to it.
That's okay. I don't think Keith ever uses that thing
I don't
anyway.
understand it. Somebody else may have to.
That's why they don't, because they won't stay together.
What? Somebody else have to fix it. I don't know that did anything to it. Do you?
Mm-mm. Ready.
Okay, I want to temp this pig. It's been about 4.5 hours, I think. Yeah, it's got a ways to go yet. Damn thing died on me. Come on.
I'd say it's operating.
Yeah. It's at 154. It's got a way to go. I've been keeping it between 2 and 225 all day, so that's where we are now. And got the Weber kettle fixing to get fired up. We got Karen over here now. Karen
Hi.
and Jeffy. And they were in there doing shenanigans in the kitchen, but
Ooh, don't
Terry
kill
thought
her.
she was recording, but she didn't, so you missed all their fun.
I got
Peachy
hard.
Garcia.
Jeff and I made that work out, didn't we?
So, so we'll be back later on when something happens. I don't know what it's going to be, but you'll see something. So, be back in a few.
That's enough on there.
And this is just wild boar. The package said ham, so I don't know.
What do you have for the Jewish?
I got some cheap beer. And trust me, that's anybody. I don't share my cheap beer with just anybody.
That's enough. You don't have to cut the rest of it yet.
His son went in the army, and while he was in
Just
boot
leave it for
camp,
later.
Well, there was no time much there.
he said he almost turned to be a Jewish man because the Jewish people ate all the time. He'd go to all the special meals with the Jewish people.
Yeah, he put that beanie on because he got donuts there and basic